Seriously? Why does my hair look like a broom no matter what I do? If you've ever felt like your hair just refuses to cooperate, split ends, frizz, hair loss, it's not just bad luck. Chances are, you're making some mistakes without even realizing it. And today I'm going to help you fix them once and for all. Mistake number one: overwashing your hair. How often do you wash your hair? If your answer is every single day, you might be making a serious mistake. I know. There's nothing better than the feeling of clean hair. But here's the harsh truth: overwashing strips away your natural oils, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Think of your scalp like your skin. If you washed your face with a harsh cleanser 5 times a day, your skin would get irritated, right? The same logic applies to your hair. Your scalp naturally produces oils to protect and nourish your strands. But when you shampoo too often, you wash those oils away before they can do their job. And here's another issue: your scalp will try to compensate by producing even more oil, making your hair greasy faster. This creates a vicious cycle where you feel the need to wash your hair even more frequently. Solution: limit hair washing to 2 to 3 times a week for balanced hydration. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse without stripping natural oils. Try dry shampoo or gentle rinsing in between washes to refresh your hair. If you must wash daily due to workouts, use mild shampoos and focus on the scalp, not the ends. Mistake number two: using too much heat without protection. Heat styling is a lifesaver. Straighteners, curling irons, blow dryers. We all love them. But if you're using too much heat without protection, you could be doing irreversible damage to your hair. Picture this. Have you ever left something in the oven too long and it gets burnt, dry, and crispy? That's what happens to your hair with excessive heat styling. It weakens the hair shaft, causing split ends, dryness, and even breakage. And the worst part: heat damage is often permanent. Some people believe that applying heat multiple times makes the style last longer. But in reality, you're just frying your hair over and over again. If your strands look dull, rough, or lifeless, it might be time to rethink your heat routine. Solution: always use a heat protectant spray before using any styling tools. It acts like sunscreen for your hair. Lower the temperature on your heat tools. Your hair doesn't need extreme heat to style properly. Limit heat usage to 1 to 2 times per week to allow your hair time to recover. Try heatless styling methods like overnight braids, rollers, or twists for beautiful waves without damage. Mistake number three: brushing wet hair too aggressively. If you step out of the shower and immediately go to war with your hairbrush, you could be causing major damage without realizing it. Wet hair is extremely fragile. The water makes your strands more elastic, which sounds like a good thing. But actually, it makes them easier to break. Imagine stretching a rubber band too far. It eventually snaps. That's exactly what happens to your hair when you brush it aggressively while wet. It gets weaker and starts breaking from the middle, leaving thin, split ends behind. Another common mistake: using the wrong brush. Some brushes have stiff bristles that tug at knots instead of detangling gently, leading to even more breakage. Solution: use a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush instead of a regular brush. Start from the ends and gently work your way up. Never yank from the roots down. Apply a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to make detangling smoother. If you struggle with knots, braid your hair loosely before bed to prevent tangles overnight. Mistake number four: ignoring your scalp health. Have you ever focused entirely on making your hair look good while completely ignoring your scalp? I used to do the same thing, until I realized that your scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Imagine trying to grow a plant in unhealthy soil. It simply won't thrive. Well, your scalp is just like soil, and if it's neglected, your hair strands suffer. Dryness, dandruff, itchiness, and even excessive shedding can all be traced back to poor scalp care. One of the biggest mistakes people make is product buildup. If you use a lot of serums, sprays, or heavy conditioners, the residue can clog your hair follicles, preventing growth and causing thinning. On the other hand, washing too aggressively with harsh shampoos can strip away essential oils, leaving your scalp dry and flaky. Solution: massage your scalp regularly with oils like coconut or rosemary to stimulate blood flow and promote growth. Exfoliate once a week using a gentle scalp scrub or clarifying shampoo to remove buildup. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water and eat foods rich in omega-3s to keep your scalp nourished. Use mild shampoos free from sulfates and parabens. Harsh chemicals can dry out the scalp.
If dandruff is a problem, try a zinc-based or tea tree oil shampoo to combat flakes naturally. Mistake number five: using too many products. I used to believe that the more products I used, the better my hair would look. Hair serums, heat protectants, leave-in conditioners, volumizing sprays, you name it, I had it. But here's the truth. Using too many products at once can actually do more harm than good. When you layer multiple products, they weigh down your hair, making it look flat, greasy, or even lifeless. Some formulas can even cancel each other out, meaning you're spending money on treatments that aren't working together. Plus, excessive product buildup clogs the scalp, preventing new hair growth and leading to irritation. Think of it this way. If you wore 5 different moisturizers on your skin every day, eventually it would feel heavy, sticky, and possibly break out. Your hair is no different. Solution: simplify your routine. Stick to essential products like a good shampoo, conditioner, and occasional treatment. Rotate products based on your hair's needs. Instead of using everything daily, avoid unnecessary layering. Some products are designed for specific conditions, and you don't need all of them at once. Clarify your hair with a detox shampoo every few weeks to remove excess residue and keep it fresh. And there you have it. 5 major hair care mistakes that could be ruining your locks. But the good news is, fixing them is easy. A few small changes can lead to healthier, stronger, and shinier hair in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a hair care tip.